What's up guys, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial how to display a below name under your own name. Alright, so you see right here, this is your own name right here, and then we're going to display a text down below. You're going to need 4 command blocks because there's going to be 4 set of commands. The first command is this one. So right here, you're just going to want to copy this because it's going to create a dummy as the title. So right here is the title. Customize it however you want. I added those weird symbols of S's just for, you know, design. But yes, this one right here is the name that you want to show below your name. Alright, so just copy that right there. Now for the next command is this one. This one is to add it to the player. So right here it's gonna be added to upmarket pi 6292 with quote unquote the title you want it to be shown, and then just put 0 so that way, you know, or you can put any number you want. Just don't make the command block be repeating, because if you put 1, then it's gonna keep repeating, the number is gonna add on, and so on and so forth. But yes, the quote unquote, this is where you're gonna put the same title you put in the first command block. Alright, so it has to be the same. And then this one right here is the direct person, which is upmarket pi 6292, which is the one right here, right there. You can see that's her name. Alright, so now the third command right here is gonna be displaying below the name. This is the command that's gonna be showing. So again, you're gonna have to copy this whole thing down and then the name, the exact title that you wanted to be shown. So once you got that down, you should be able to have all this 3, and then just you can put like repeaters in between so that, you know, it could be all in a sequence. Just press the button in the first command block, and then it should show. There you go. As you can see, there's a number 0 right there. That's the one right here, because it needs a number. That's part of the command. And there you go. That's how you get the newbie name on it. You can name it however you want. I just named it newbie, but it only shows up in a few block radius, like I'd say 10, 8. Alright, now if you want it to be removed, this is the command right here. So it's / scoreboard objectives remove, and then the exact title of the thing, and you just put that in there, press the button, and it's gone. If you want it back, just go back to the original, press it again, there you go. Alright, and then if you wanted to have it on everybody, just go to the second command block and then go all the way to where the name is at, erase all that, then you're gonna put the simple @ and then @a. There you go. That should work to everyone. And I click it, then as you can see, she still has it, and so do I, but couldn't really see it in my perspective. But you know, I have it because it's @all. Alright, so that's how you get the that's how you get the name below the name. Name it however you want, and then it'll show up. Alright, that's it for today, guys. It's a little tutorial. I want to show you how to get this. And if you want a tutorial on how to do the sidebar on my right side, I'll put it in a separate video. Alright, and I heard that from YouTube, about 60% of you are not subscribed. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you later on. Okay, so I forgot to mention that, you know, you don't really know about this, but I'm pretty sure if they die and they still have the thing tagged onto them, it'll still have, yeah, they should still have it. There you go. Unless you remove it right there on the 4th command. Yeah, so if they die, then, you know, they still have the tag, unless you just remove it.